Hi traders, good day. So today is 4th of March 2020. We are now live the trading WTI Crude Oil Market April contract 2020. So in this video I'll show you how I do day trading, so please watch to the end. So at this moment we are on the buy long position. Okay, so this is the movement. We already entered the market at 40 at 20 5, and based from my live telegram channel, so we were going to go for a bullish position, so 35 exit at 48.38. So let's wait and see. Hopefully this will end up quite good. So now about +1 or 0 break even, so the target is at 48.38. So let's take a look on the volume. So there's a high volume waiting at 48.50. It's quite common price level. So market did move to our favor at this moment, +2 ticks, +3 ticks. So the highest now just now is 5 ticks, which around 50 US dollar. So this is an epic signal type, which is we go in and out in the market very fast, hopefully within a few minutes. So this is a live recording video. Hopefully you guys can make it. If you are interested to get the live signal, so you can go to my link in description below. So just click the link and you will be directed to the private channel, so you will get a live signal broadcast for US session. So at this moment it looks good. It's +60 US dollar in profit. So this is a day trading. We on this okay, the highest just now is 34, so enter 35, so should be around 90 ticks. Okay, let's wait and see. Hopefully everything will be fine. And yep, we are not far from the targeted TP area, so the stop loss will be at I don't remember about the stop loss. So let's take a look on our telegram. Stop loss is at 48.06. Okay, so it's quite clear now, and let's wait. Hopefully this trade will end in a few minutes. I think we already in the market for 2 minutes. Should be easy. Okay, price now. Let's take a look on this high volume here. 48.31, 48.32. So there's a high volume waiting at 48.35, which is the breakout of the highest recent high, and our exit will be at 48.38. So let's wait. Hopefully the price will spike up and will hit the TP area. Okay, doesn't look good. The right candle appeared, but still in the positive territory, +3 ticks. Okay, need to have some patience. Okay, +7 ticks, 70 US dollar. So here is the current profit. So by the way, this strategy is mainly for US session. So begin 9 a.m. New York time. We try to get as fast as we could before 9:30 a.m. New York time. So that means before 9:30 we try to complete everything before that, and that's the target of this epic signal strategy. Okay, looks good at this moment. So there's still high volume waiting here at 40.35, 177. This is quite interesting. Hopefully the market will not reverse back once it trigger to this price level of 48.35. Okay, now we are +7 ticks. Price keep moving up. Looks good. Okay, +5 ticks. So hopefully you can capture this live when the price go towards the TP targeted price level, hopefully. So this is trading. We are not sure sometimes whether the market will go to our direction or not, but based from my epic signal, most likely it will go to my direction, so I have less worry. Okay, so far looks good. It's nearing to 48.35, which is has the high volume at this moment. So I try not to make this video longer, so maybe I will pause because this trade might take another 5 more minutes, I guess, before 9:30 a.m. New York time. Chicago time is 8:26 a.m. in the morning. Okay, I will pause for a while. Okay, seems like, so we resume back again. Seems like still maintain a bullish kind of trendy move. This is okay. Have to be patient. Okay, I think market just spiked and turned down. The highest now is 48.36. Yes, true, 48.36, because there's a high volume waiting just now. So need to be aware. We still maintain around 6 ticks, 7 ticks. Okay. Target is 48.38. Still a bit far away. Okay, looks like a reversal. Okay, it looks very interesting at this moment. So at the moment we might hit the TP area. So the highest now is 48.36. Okay, our TP targeted area is at 48.38. Okay, let's hope everything is fine. There's a big red candle over here, and then suddenly they turn around with a blue candle, and now expecting maybe, hopefully it's not a full reversal. So I try to prepare to exit the market at the stop loss in case. Okay, doesn't look good. We are nearing to the entry point. Okay, there's a strong push to the upper side. It was a good one. Alright, 48.30. Another 8 more ticks. Is why it's very hard. Suppose Italy to have a good. Oh, there's a signal that I need to go for E-mini market. Okay, so far looks good. The highest now is okay. We hit the TP. We hit the TP. So total profit is total profit is I think 130 US dollar. So it was a good one. 130 US dollar in a few minutes. So as a day trading salary. Okay, guys, I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and that's all for today. So this strategy only trade one time per US session. So you can add in more lot position size if you want to profit more. But for me, this video just to show that this epic signal is work since last 2 years. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Bye bye.